Hello everyone, I am Navneet Rathod. So today I am going to show you in this video the new era innovative software used with smart interactive touch panel. So we have launched the software called Trueboard. The name Trueboard itself says that what is inside the board. So it is truly the board used for demonstration and teaching purpose. As a teacher, when we are teaching, we think that what tools we need. So we have incorporated all the tools required for a teacher or a presenter, and we have make this software easy to use, very user friendly. So currently this is the interface which we have for Trueboard. Here you can select the subjects which you are teaching and the toolbar will get designed accordingly. Currently I will just select the general and I will enter the class. Once you have just selected which subject you are teaching, so the Trueboard itself will design the toolbar accordingly. So now as I have entered, even I can again select it from here if I have missed at the beginning. Then we have different modes to operate the board. Here we have the preparing mode, teaching mode, desktop mode, slide mode, and also the flexibility to add a exe which you frequently used. For example, you might be using Zoom, Google Meet, or any other app like Chrome or any other your institutional app. You can directly put it here. So no need to go away from the screen for the time save. So currently I will move to the teaching mode. Now at my corner you have seen that I have selected that page management. How we can go for page management? So I have just clicked and selected the page 1. Here I can go and fill the color whichever I want, okay, and I can easily write on that. So currently I may use gray color. I can also use different templates. For example, template for 4-line, square line. I can also use the image for writing. So here I have selected green now. You can even use your customized template. So currently I will just use the color gray. You can delete, you can add more pages, you can add animation to your page. Now here are the fixed buttons which we have. One is the select, second is the pen. So if I am just selecting the pen, I am getting multiple options here as in pen. Pen, brush pen, pencil, white brush, creative magic pen, highlighter, pattern pen. So we will see one by one how we are going to use this. So suppose if I am just selecting the pencil, I can directly write on it easily. I can change the width of it by just selecting the width. I can change the width of it. Now this select option will select the portion which is there, okay, and I can do the changes I want in that. For example, if I am cloning this, I will get the clone of it. In a similar way, you can use other options which are mentioned here. For example, I have changing the width after I have written, okay, then I may change to the colors also. So easy to design whatever you have written. And for rubbing also we have partial rub, direct, I can use this, I can use selective area to rub, or I can erase the entire page. Now we have given lot of handy tools for maths teachers. So example, shapes. So here you can see that we have given 2D and 3D shapes. So for example, it is difficult to draw any 3D shape. So I have just selected the 3D shape. I have selected the black color to draw it. Now I have done. I can directly use my pencil and I can write. I'll change the width again. I can write here. So it is very easy to use. I can add the new page whenever I want. I have changed the color. Now suppose I want to draw a triangle. I'll just select the triangle. I want to fill with this particular color, so I'll use this. I've just created one design color. You can go for plain colors also if you want. You can easily change that. Now another option is that I can hold this, place it at any corner which I want. Then there are labels. For example, I have used the compass. I want to draw a circle of the particular radius, suppose 5 centimeter. So I'll just hold the pencil, I'll just rotate my hand, and it is so easy to draw the circle. So here you can see that I have drawn the circle with the compass. Now there are other tools as well where you can just go to the resource, select the subject which you are teaching. Okay, now here line, pointers, then plain figures, then label tools. So I can use the tools from here also. So this is the maths tools which we are using. Now in the page 1 I have one diagram, and the page 2 I have another diagram. So this way you can change the page and you can start your explanation towards it. So apart from this, there are other functions like function. So here you can change the axis, you can show it easily, you can scale up, and you can use the function option here. Another good option for the maths teacher is that we have given compass, where you can go for calculators. Suppose standard calculator is there, then you want scientific calculator, in that trigonometry you want. So we have given trigonometry tools for maths teachers. You can use functions. So it is a proper maths tool for the teachers. You can go for length, volume, other things in the calculator itself. Apart from that, if you want to have the customization, suppose in maths we are using tables, so you want table, pie chart, okay, bar diagram, so you can directly utilize those. You can customize this according to your need. For example, I don't want this, instead of this I may choose to have calculator. So likewise you can design accordingly for your teaching. Now if I take another new page, and main thing is that with this one click I can minimize and I can come to the desktop. So this is the desktop mode. Now it gives you liberty to directly write on the desktop. Okay. Apart from that, if I want some particular image on my board, so I will just crop the part which I want and it will be appearing on my board. Now I can resize it according to the size which I want, and I can start writing directly. So this way you can easily use the images which are there and you can utilize it. Now if I am going to home screen, I am again coming to the screen which we have. We can directly go from here also and we can use the different features. Now suppose for maths you want layering, diagrams, okay, then tools. So we have given enough maths tools for a teacher to use. right? You can customize according to your need and you can utilize all these features.